Today, we're introducing ACT-2 Preview, the world's first general recipe to solve household tasks. With this breakthrough, any skill that is mastered in our lab can be transferred to your home. And we're starting with laundry. 0 shots, 99% success rate, fully autonomous in unseen homes, for the first time in history.
The home is the ultimate challenge for robotics because every home is unique. This means it requires generalization to an infinite number of edge cases.
We essentially threw everything at Memo. Inside out pants, bright daylight, blackout curtains, disturbances in the middle of folding, clothes falling on the ground. Memo just kept going. We watched Memo fold huge 8XL shirts, as well as tiny baby clothes. And even interact with a curious child who just wanted to play with Legos. In all these scenarios, Memo maintained a 99% success rate. And this was all done without collecting any additional data or fine-tuning in these homes.
This is what we call a solve. A demo asks if a robot can do something once. A solve asks if a robot can do something reliably while the world changes around it.
The recipe for a solve has 2 essential components. Large-scale, diverse pre-training produces models that are sample-efficient learners. Then, we let these models hill climb in our lab environments to a 99% success rate. As we scale pre-training and post-training, the models just keep getting better.
Laundry is the first solve of many. ACT-2 proves that we can get household tasks to be both generalizable and reliable. This is the breakthrough that will make helpful home robots a reality.